tell you, I've been stacking stuff and stacking stuff and stacking stuff. I got stuff that don't even exist no more stuff. Put this in storage. I'm gonna eventually put it to use. If not, when it's all over said and done, if it becomes excess, then I will sell it. Until then, I'm gonna keep stacking stuff and stacking stuff and stacking stuff. How many old school slant board hookups could you do with this? I'm just saying. I see, how do I look at it? 61, 62, 63, and 64. Those are all years of the cars. I think I'll use them on. Or maybe it'll go 61, 62, 63, Skylark. I'm short one stack. I need to get some more. Hey, stay ready, so you have to get ready. We gotta go. This is Rob from Money's Car Stereo. And as you can see, people be asking me, well, how many playlists are on the flash drives? Well, we'll start, as you can see how it grows because the flash drives get bigger. This is the 4 gig, only 12 items. Then you get over here to the 8 gig, it doubles up and the categories expand. 16, 32, and the 64, which as you can see has 36 different categories. So, yeah, they get bigger exponentially as you get bigger in the music. Over here at Money's Car Stereo, trying to eat my lunch. Unknown, unidentified UPS man, FedEx man knock at my door, talking about we got something for you. Like, what the hell? We got some Hertz in the bag. And I think we got some speakers. What the hell? Some bags up in here. Where they came from? Let me see. From Texas. Oh, yeah, I remember now. Brother talked to me. He said, Rob, I'm going to send you the bags ahead of time. Then I'm going to bring you the bike. So I'm going to give you a head start. Well, there ain't nothing on the workbench but this. Let's unpack this and see what we got. We'll get back to you in a minute. So when you send me the bags, as previous to the young man's conversation, you need to make sure to not put the 6x9s, not to put the bag directly in contact with bubble wrap. Because if you do, let's see something, it's kind of hard to do with one hand, you will end up with sand marks on your paint job. You can't really see it, but it got a little bit of micro scratches here. Not too many. But if he would have not had it in this right here, it would have been worse. Because this will sit there on your bag and just do like this the whole time. So we got a pair of burgundy bags. Let's unbag all this so we see actually what we got here. All right, we out. Well, we got them in from Texas. I think that's kind of like a cranberry or crimson tide kind of color. I can't wait to see what they did with the rest of the bike. I see how they got the words at the bottom. I haven't seen like that on the West Coast. But, yeah. I guess tomorrow or the next day, we'll get started on the bags. He brought his own speakers. He wants to use his Hertz since he already bought them. So when a person brings their own stuff, well, hey, I'll work with it. That's what you got, and that's what you want to use. So he says he wants to go with the Hertz in the bag because he already owned them. And so I said, all right. Only thing about Hertz is you got to be real particular how you make your spacers for these, because it's real tricky around the edges. But I've been here before. I've seen this. So we'll make it happen. We out of here. as I was saying, when you ship your bags to Money's Car Stereo, do the little prep work that we do, or whether it's a bagger in a box situation, you want to always put your bags inside of some type of protective covering besides bubble wrap. Because you want to put it in the styrofoam wrap first. Because if you don't, you'll end up with excessive marking on top of your bags. And so this young man is from Texas. He sent me the bags ahead of time. He said he already owned the Hertz speakers that he has up in the lids, which I see the connect right here for that. And it wasn't doing him justice. Take a look at this when it closes. It don't close. You have to lift up on it, play with it to get it to close. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep these lids here, but we're going to take, since he has these already. Oh, actually, we ain't. This one is already bad. I think we have a jacked up speaker here already. You see, so we're gonna play around with this one and see how it goes. It's supposed to be a voice coil cover is supposed to be able to move freely and not make any funny sounds, and it's already making scrunchy sound like the voice coil might be going bad. So we're gonna pull that out and investigate it. But this is part of the service we offer with your bags. So we're gonna pull that one out and see what's going on. But yeah, when you bring your bags, have them like this. He's gonna bring the bike. He's coming from Texas, so he's gonna bring this. I guess next week or two. But he wants to have the bags here ahead of time. So he has committed to let's get her done. So that's what we're gonna do. Get her done. That's right. We out of here. Well, it's Saturday night. I just got one in. But before I even start on that, I need to get unfinished business going. The bike said to be here about Thursday or so. So we need to go ahead and knock this out. What I mean by knock it out, do a little pre-work. We're going to go ahead and drill the holes up. And on this bike, probably drill the holes on that bike. Then it'll be a day of carpeting and mounting of things. Over here, we're going to add lowers on here. Bag lids. Horn tweeters in the front. Some more stuff in the bags, 3.0 setup. Yeah, and getting back going. So, you know, little stuff. Oh, yeah, he need, we're going to find out what these are. Because if these are, yeah, these like the Taiwanese ones. If you got the Taiwanese ones, it's going to break right here if you pull a little too hard. So keep that in mind if you got the Taiwan ones. But he has some real nice gauges up in here. Yeah, that's about it. Let's get it started. Let's get this red bag started, then we'll get to him. We out. Depending on which model. Yeah, we in the house eating dinner, watching a little Carlos Romero for MVS
the older model where it goes
stereo.
positive,
Yeah.
positive and negative together.